I started over 100 seedlings this spring, and I thought everything was going well, until these started dying. And the worst part, I was doing what everyone tells you to do. If you've ever started seeds indoors, you've probably seen this happen. Some crops come up fine, and others just don't. And no one really explains why that happens. So I wanted to show you what's going on with my setup right now, what worked, what didn't, and what I think I got wrong. So first, the good news. My greens are doing well. They're not huge yet, but they're consistent, and that's the key. Same setup, same lights, same watering. Which makes this even more confusing. Because right next to them, these are my turnips, and they are not doing well. You can see the middle rows especially. They dried out, growth is uneven, many just didn't make it. At first, I thought it might have been the seeds. I've had the turnip seeds that I seeded, probably 2 or 3 years now. I buy them every year, so I kind of lose track of how old they are. They're not super old, and they all germinated. So then I kind of ruled that out as a possible cause. But then I started noticing a pattern. The worst seedlings are right here in the center. Like some on the edges didn't do too badly, but the ones in the middle were horrible. And I think this is where a lot of seed starting advice falls short. They tell us, give them lots of light. But what's not talked about is what the light actually does. And this is actually a new setup for me this year. New shelving, new lights. So I'm still figuring out how it behaves a little bit. And these lights don't just help plants grow, they also dry out your soil faster than you think. And the closer your seedlings are, the faster that happens. So even though I was watering, the center rows right under the most intense light were drying out way quicker. And I didn't catch it in time. And this is the part no one tells beginners. Some plants can handle that stress, like lettuce. Others, like root crops, really struggle with it early on. So honestly, I think this one's on me. I treated all my seedlings the same, but all seedlings don't want the same conditions. So here's what I'm changing going forward. Keeping a closer eye on moisture, especially under the lights, adjusting light height so it's not as intense in one spot, and I'm going to be a bit more intentional about which crops I start indoors and which ones I don't. And for these turnips specifically, this might just be one of those crops that's better off being direct sown anyway. They keep telling us root crops don't like being started inside, and even though I've had success in the past, clearly that's not the case this year. What I'll probably do is just direct sow turnips outside in the spring with the rest of my direct sown crops. Not a big deal. Happens to, there's always something that goes wrong every year. Hopefully this is my one hiccup of the season and the rest goes smoothly, but we'll see. So if your seedlings aren't doing well, even if you think you're doing everything right, it might not be something obvious. It could be something small, like how quickly your soil is drying out under your grow lights. That's definitely something I'll be watching a lot more closely from now on. Because with seed starting, it's not usually one big mistake. It's a bunch of little things that just add up. I'd love to know if you've run into this too. Please tell me it's not just me. But nonetheless, happy gardening, everybody.